Good Friday morning. Thanks for joining us here for Wake Up Charlotte to Go. I'm Ben Thompson and Carolina. It's not only Friday, but it's also a special day.
It's a very special day. Which special day are we talking about?
It's National Weatherperson's Day.
But it's also Go Red for Women. I didn't know what special day you were talking about.
Either way,
but thank you very much. It is, yeah. It's the big celebration we're going to have outside the building here. No, they're not doing that. Oh, okay, I forgot.
Oh yeah, that was canceled. Sorry, Larry.
But anyway, thank you so much. As far as temperatures this morning, look how low the temperatures went. Only into the low 40s across the area. Unseasonably mild this morning. 51 degrees at noon. We'll be in the mid 50s for the afternoon today. As far as rainfall, we're going to see all that shower activity track away from us by about noon. It's gone. It's out of here. Then we get through tomorrow evening. Here comes another weather system. That's more rain tracking towards the area tomorrow night into early Sunday morning. This is along the I-40 corridor tomorrow night from, say, Statesville all the way to the mountains. That's snow. All rain for us. Maybe a little bit of icy weather mixing in, but for the most part, it's just going to be rain here. Snowfall in the mountains into early on Sunday. Here we go. We have rainfall chances today. Again, Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday of next week. Check out high temperatures today. Will be into the mid-50s for the afternoon. Tomorrow, scouting for food day should be okay. It's the rain is tomorrow evening into early on Sunday morning. We'll hit the mid-50s Monday. A nice mild day on Tuesday with showers. Okay Wednesday. And then Thursday, the bottom drops out with a chance of rain. And that is your first one forecast this morning.
And Larry, we love you. Every day is Larry Day.
I love all of you. Thank you.
Turning to other stories of the day this weekend, a local hospital teaming up with CMS to get teachers vaccinated.
Happy Friday to you. I'm Billie Jean Shaw in Uptown. Tomorrow at McClintock Middle School, CMS and Novant Health are partnering to administer 165 vaccines to all district employees who are 65 and up. Now, this clinic is by appointment only, and the district says they are hoping to hold more of these clinics in the future. This comes after the CDC and Governor Roy Cooper urged schools to return to in-person learning.
Good Friday morning. Governor Cooper is proposing spending money on those people he says haven't had a raise in over 2 years, our educators in the state of North Carolina. He wants to give $2,500 one-time bonuses to teachers and principals in our schools K through 12. $2,000 will go to our college and university employees, and $1,500 he wants to give to school personnel. He says this is a move that is long overdue and should help in the battle against turning the tide versus the coronavirus.
A Hickory Public School employee has died from COVID-19. Larry Conger was head of maintenance at Hickory High School. He caught the virus after Christmas and was on a ventilator for about a month. The school says he taught the students and staff about kindness every single day. He'll always be in their hearts.
Today, some CMS swimmers and divers will begin competing again. The majority of winter sports will start practice on Monday. CMS is allowing art programs, too, like music and theater, to start back up next week.
Meanwhile, in South Carolina, Governor Henry McMaster and the state superintendent pushing for full in-person learning at all schools. They say it's safe to bring students back to class, and it must happen as soon as possible to keep students from losing progress. Rachel Lundberg joins us now. Rachel, this comes as teachers are understandably concerned about not being vaccinated. We're bringing them back in, but in both Carolinas, they've not been made the priority yet.
Yeah, I mean, this has been a big story as to where they should fall in the distribution of the COVID-19 vaccines, especially if a high on our priority list is getting our students back in the classroom with the teachers in person. So there's some widespread concern in the Palmetto State, South Carolina specifically, because that's what we're talking about this morning, where teachers are saying that they should be vaccinated right now, or bringing us back into the classroom is not safe. South Carolina teachers, though, are not getting to jump the line. We spoke to one who says that this is a really big problem for her. Take a listen.
It is sad to think of it, in all honesty, because teachers are almost frantic for the vaccine. There's people who want it so much because we do want to work. It is not a situation where teachers are saying we don't want to go to work. We want to go to work safely. And we want to be with our kids safely. And we don't want to have to leverage our lives and our health and the health of the people we love for the job that we also love.
Governor McMaster saying yesterday, though, that once this latest phase is over, teachers are up next. As of yesterday, only 37 of the state's districts had plans to get teachers vaccinated. Now, let's talk about this bill that was introduced in the State House. It says that teachers can be vaccinated now, but South Carolina would mandate that all schools be reopened for 5 days a week, in-person learning starting next month. Let us know what you think about that bill, maybe in the comments below, or you can use our hashtag later on social media. Ben.
Rachel, thanks. Time now to connect the dots when we make the news make sense. Johnson & Johnson has officially filed for emergency authorization of its vaccine. If approved, it would be the third one here in the U.S. Experts say this particular vaccine could be a game changer.
The Johnson & Johnson shot could give the vaccine rollout the jumpstart it needs. It's the simplest and easiest one of all to distribute. Let's connect the dots. The J&J shot is one and done. You just get one dose, which makes everything so much simpler. Healthcare providers don't need to manage the logistics of second appointments. The other game-changing feature of this vaccine, it does not need to be stored at those freezing cold temperatures. It just needs regular old refrigeration. That means it's a lot easier to get this shot to rural areas. It also means places like pharmacies and grocery stores could store large amounts without worrying about doses going bad. Perhaps the most promising news, researchers say the vaccine is 85% effective in preventing severe cases of COVID-19. And that is connecting the dots.
By the way, it's not going to hit the market immediately because the FDA is going to have to approve the Johnson & Johnson vaccine, and that's not going to probably happen until at least February 26th. So that could be a game changer when it happens.
Yes, for sure.
All right. Make sure you watch us every single morning, 4:30 a.m. This morning, though, wear red for women.
Yes.
Celebrate Larry Sprinkle.
Definitely.
Enjoy the Super Bowl.
And eat pigs in a blanket, the underrated Super Bowl snack.
That's right. Have a great weekend, everybody.